皆さんこんにちは、Abbyです。Hey guys, it's Abby, and as you guys can see, this is how my room used to look like before. This is a kawaii anime room makeover. You guys can go ahead and click on this video somewhere up here. I'll be leaving a link to it. You guys can go ahead and check it out. I love the room, and there were elements that I loved from the room, especially the Sanrio aesthetic, but I just felt like it was so cluttered. So it turned into this. It was much more minimalistic. Everything was painted white. All the walls were painted white. You guys can see that room makeover over here. I will leave a link to that as well. But I didn't really love the style. I did take off the little posters on the wall, little Jungkook postcards, a bunch of other postcards that I had purchased earlier. This definitely is a much more minimalistic look for the room. However, I really missed the kawaii elements from the other rooms, so I felt like these were two different extremes and I really wanted to find like a nice middle, and I just felt like a kawaii room would work a lot better. This was my other attempt at making it very cute but yet still more simple, and I actually had gotten these really cute little folder with it was kind of promotion. I actually explained it a lot better in my kawaii Japanese makeup video review from YESSTYLE, so go ahead and click on that video. But because I got this from Japan, I thought, okay, this would work really well because I wanted to go with something more mature but yet still cute. So I wanted to put these on the wall because I did get them from Japan. I felt like, you know, it has Japanese writing and it'll look very cute. The colors work really well because there's pink and purple. But in the end, I realized, you know what, I wanted something that was a little bit more Sanrio inspired. As you guys can see, I was definitely trying to, you know, do different things, different styles, and this is kind of what I came up with. But in the end, I just didn't feel like it was for me or right for me, even though I like the little posters. In general, I just realized that maybe I wanted to go with something maybe more Sanrio inspired, maybe a little bit more color than just pink and purple and, you know, white. And even this didn't feel like it necessarily worked, but it was still a cool attempt, and I wanted to show it to you guys. Just show you guys all the different attempts that I did to kind of, you know, remodel the room a little bit, maybe add a little bit more color. But still, I felt like it was a bit too monotone for me. I like a minimalistic aesthetic, but I wanted to go with much more of like a Sanrio minimalistic aesthetic and join the two things that I love. Hello everyone, so as I told you guys earlier, I was thinking of probably remodeling the room a little bit. Like I said, I'm not going to buy anything new. It's everything that I already own. And I've been collecting quite a few Sanrio inspired items. So the main thing I'm going to be changing up is really just the wall. Instead of having these cute images, I'm going to be putting my more Sanrio themed postcards and Sanrio themed wallpaper, things like that. I don't know if I have enough to cover the wall, but I guess we'll see. Go ahead and open my little treasure box and we'll see what we can find and what we can do to kind of change up the room a little bit and make it extra kawaii and Sanrio inspired. So this is my treasure box. This is like, I like to call it my treasure box because that's where I keep a lot of my favorite items, mainly Sanrio themed items and items that I haven't opened. Now let's go ahead and see what we can get. Here you guys can probably see a couple items. I do have a couple, like just pretty much items that I don't know where else to put them and I want to take care of them. And I haven't shown them to you guys. Some of them are like sweet makers, for example, like these cute Dolly Wink lashes that I want to try out. But anywho, let's go ahead and look for the items I'm looking for here. So here I have my cute little Kuromi bag. I have quite a few My Melody items, so I think I can also use them. And I also have this really cute Ranma postcard that's so cute, could work for an anime vibe. Okay, I'm going to take some of these things out because there's literally no space here for all this stuff here. And then I'll be back with you guys and I'll show you guys the items I'm going to be working with. I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I've taken everything out of the box. It all looks kind of cluttered here because I have a very like small table right here. It's like my little vanity table. So these are all, I believe, most of the Sanrio theme items I think that I could work with. I have quite a few things I can work with, and these are really cute little baggies. We'll see what I can use, but for now this is kind of what I'm going to be working with. I might add other stuff because I do have other kawaii items and I might not be able to put everything on the wall, so I'm going to have to see what I can work with. So I did save the packaging of my my little haul. If you guys saw this vlog, you guys know that I did save the packaging after eating those snacks, those Japanese snacks. So these are all the packaging that I say that was Sanrio themed that I found to be the cutest. So here you guys can see there are different characters. This is Hello Kitty, this is Sanex, Rilakuma, and Koilakuma. I always forget the name of the chicken, I feel so bad. And then this is Sumiko Gurashi. And these are from like little cookies that I ate. And this was a candy. This is like a little collaboration with Pickle and Sanrio characters. And then more little packaging of Sumiko Gurashi. So I'm thinking I can probably put this on the wall as well. We'll see how well some of these will stick on the wall. Like these ones, I'm not sure how well they'll look on the wall because of the material. But this one for sure will look really good, I think. And so I'm thinking of using this as well. And then I'll see what else I can use. Now the wall is completely empty. This is the way it looks without like anything on the wall. So these are my plain white bed sheets. Planning on using my old bed sheets from my old Kawaii room. So over here I have some boxes. These are some things I used. I actually purchased these at Daiso. These little containers here, and then I just put all my cute Japanese makeup here. And as you guys can see here, this is kind of where I usually put my pillows like when I go to bed, because I don't like using the same pillows. They tend to get kind of dirty if I sleep with them, so I usually put my pillows here, and then over here I just use, these are the two pillows I use to sleep. But anyway, these are the bed sheets I'm planning on using. I just washed them, I cleaned them. I did like a regular wash, and then I used bleach so that they kind of look extra crispy white, although we'll see how they look. And then I think I'll be using that because it has this very cute princessy look here, and I like it because it's still very neutral and sort of minimalistic because they're white. So I've pretty much laid out all the Sanrio themed items that I have that I can put on the wall. So not specifically like items, but more like posters or just any item that's more of a paper material that I can put on the wall, kind of like a poster. So this isn't the only thing I have. I do have, for example, like this recent like Japanese manga that I got, and there is a few small little posters. This is like a calendar. This is a really cute poster, and I think this one is also another poster as well that I'm thinking of using. This, and then this also, this other Pop Tea magazine that I got a long time ago. I could probably use this. And then there's this one as well that is part of like this cute little set that my sister got. I still need to take this one out that I have not, but I think I can use like a poster, but I will see. So this is a really cute little Sanrio packet. I think this is to make like a letter set pretty much. I think there are a bunch of postcards if I'm not mistaken. They are pretty much Sanrio postcards. Now these, I got them at a Japanese bookstore. And I felt really fortunate that they had these ones because they were so cute, and you guys can see the price. It's like $11.99, so it was a really good price. So let's go ahead and open that up. So it looks like this pretty much. And there are a few different stickers on here. Maybe I can zoom out for you guys to see a lot better. So it pretty much looks like this, and it says Otegami Daisuki Book, and it has a bunch of the Sanrio characters here. And as you open it here, you guys can see they have like different postcards inspired by different Sanrio characters. Here are a few stickers. I just used a few stickers already from this little packet before, but I do have quite a bit. I don't think I'm going to need the stickers for the wall. I think it's not really going to work. But they do have quite a bit of really cute postcards here that I feel like I could work with. So there is one that I did like, so I might use that, but I'll see. This is the way this little booklet looks like. I remember seeing some that I really liked, which I think are towards the end. Yeah, so these are a little bit different, but I'm thinking of using these ones at the back. So this one's really cute. I could probably use this one. I'm trying to see. This one's really cute as well.
So I'll see, this one has Cinnamoroll on it, which is adorable. And then this one says Guromi, but I'm not sure this will work out because I don't really want to use very dark colors. This has pompompurin on it. I'll see which one I decide to use. This says Pochako. And then there's this one that I found to be really cute. It was one of my favorite ones, so I might end up using this one. It's supposed to be kind of like a chemist, sciencey style postcard, which is really cute, so I might use this one. So I do have this one. I think it says Asobuku. Maybe I said that wrong. I'm so sorry. But it's a very cute like Sanrio like little notebook here. I actually recently went to Kinokuniya bookstore again, or like that Japanese bookstore that I've been going to quite a bit, and I saw this one in the little kids aisle. I thought it was really, really cute. I have quite a few different cute like drawings and images here that I think I can use as like posters. So I'll have to wait and see. This one kind of reminds me of the little postcard that I just showed you guys that looks kind of like a little chemist, the little small one I just showed you guys. This one's really cute too, so I could probably use this. I'm gonna go ahead and look through this book, and then I'll let you guys know what I decide on, because I'm still not really sure what color scheme I want to use, if I want to use these. So yeah, I'll be right back with you guys. So this is pretty much my inspiration. I really wanted to create sort of like a minimalistic Korean slash Sanrio kawaii room. I didn't want it to look cluttered because when I did do my room, like redid my room and made it kawaii slash like anime inspired, it did feel a little cluttered, and I didn't really want to do that. So I do want to add that cute vibrant color because my side of the room is very neutral. But this is pretty much my inspiration. It's definitely very minimalistic, but very cute pastel Sanrio kawaii like inspired room, and I love that kind of Korean minimalistic style. So as you guys can see, I put this Sanrio poster with the heart. I think it works really, really well. And then on this side, I had to actually raise that light up clock so that it would kind of fit here. And then I raised this poster higher up here. You guys can see there's quite a bit of space down here. So in my Pop Tea magazine, I ended up seeing that there is this little section just dedicated to Twice. So I feel like this is really cute. The color scheme is like really nice and pastel. And I do love K-pop and I do love Twice. So I might end up putting this on my wall. I think it's really, really cute and it might go well, but I'll see. I'm kind of trying to take a look at this magazine and see what else I can use to kind of just put on the wall, but I'll go ahead and see. I want to make sure that it works well and it's not like cluttered. So this is actually the cover of this like manga book thing. I'm not really sure what it's called, but I'm thinking of using this side since it's very vibrant, very pink and purple. A lot of pastel colors I really like. I think it's very cute. I didn't find anything else on this side that I would like, so I decided that maybe not. Something that was really cool though is that the light up clock shows up here. Like I have a light up clock. Well, here it says LED digital clock. So I have one of these already, so that was really cool. It's right over there, so I guess it's kind of fitting for this style. It's quite trendy like nowadays in like this minimalistic like Korean aesthetic, and I know Korean aesthetic is very popular in Japan. I don't know, maybe it's just popular in Japan right now. I have no idea, but I thought it was really cute, and it was really nice to see that because I'm like, okay, I'm going for like a kawaii Japanese style room. But anywho, I think I'm gonna go ahead and rip this piece and just use it because I think it's really cute and I think it'll work really well. Guys, so I was pretty much looking through this manga. I don't really know what this type of book would be called, but there's like a bunch of different types of mangas in here. And I noticed that they have like at the beginning of each section of the manga, I think they're more like a sneak peek to get you to buy the full manga. But anyway, it seems like they show you like a sneak peek with like a much better, kind of looks like a poster of the main characters. So this is for this story, I believe. And then as I turned the pages, I found that there was like a really cute poster here. And I think it's so cute. So as you turn the pages some more, let me see. I think this is the next poster you see. And then as for like this little booklet, I didn't find anything that I really liked. Like for example, in the back, I put the ones that I was thinking of using, but I don't know if the shade would work. Maybe it will. I do really like the cover for this one, so I might just take off the top of this little booklet and just use it as like a little poster. But I will see. And then I do have these, but I'm not sure the material will work out because this is like pretty much packaging for from cookies and Japanese treats that I purchased a while ago. So I'm not sure the material will work out, but I think this one's really cute. And so is this one. I might cut off the back because it does show off. It's kind of transparent, so I'll see. But for now, I think for sure I'll be finding some more posters from here, and I'll show you guys which ones I end up using. So I pretty much laid out everything I'm planning on using. The rest of the items that I thought could work really well for the wall. These are a few posters. This is from the Pop Tea magazine I showed you guys earlier. And it looks like this pretty much. It's a lot of really cute images of the group Twice. They were on the Pop Tea magazine, which is really cool, and I think the color scheme works really well because it's all pink and purple. And then I ended up cutting that up from that little notebook I showed you guys before. That little packet that has a bunch of postcards. And then I took off the front part of that little booklet I show you guys a lot. And then this is one of the posters I thought would work really well that I got from my little manga packet. And then there's another poster here that I felt would work so cute because of the color scheme. That's another thing of this little guy that came with this little booklet. And then some cute pages from that booklet I showed you guys that came from this one. And then of course some more of that same poster. So this is pretty much what I'm going to be working with. So these are two different plushies that I have. This is a really large Relockable plushie, and then this is a really large bunny plushie. It used to come with like a blue bow on it, but it looked really ugly after I washed it, so I just pretty much cut it off. So it looks pretty much like this. I'm not really sure which one would work well for the room, so please tune in for next week's video where I show you guys like the actual room tour, and you guys will be able to see like what I decide to use. But I think they're both really cute. They could probably both work, so I'll see. I had them in my storage, so I pretty much just washed them by hand and then dried them. So I'm not really sure. I do love Relockable, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work well with the color scheme, so we will see. So as for the side of my bed, I just have my lamp. As you guys can see here, my sister, I gave her the flowers. I might end up using it for a room if I change it up again, but for now I thought, you know what, I'm not going to use it, and my sister wanted to have something else to kind of finish off her area, so she just pretty much, this is kind of what she has here. As for my side, it's pretty plain. It's just, I just have my lamp here. I just cleaned it up because it was getting a little dusty, but I'm going to see what I can put. I do have this really cute, I'm not really sure what this is, to be honest. I got this at Daiso. It has this at the back. I'm not really sure what it is, to be honest. Like, it could be like, my sister thought it was where you put like soap, like if you're gonna wash your hands and you have like that little plate that goes there, but I have no idea what it is, to be honest. I've been seeing it, it's quite popular in like the kawaii community, and like, I don't know, in general, just a lot of people love it. So I thought it was really cute, and I've seen it a lot of like on Pinterest, a lot of girls who have it in their rooms for decor. I just thought it was really cute, so I thought, why not just get it and use it for my room. I'm thinking of putting this like here right next to my lamp right here, and see what I'll do. As you guys can see, I haven't even opened it yet, so but I feel like it would work really well here for the side of the room. I'll see what I'll end up putting, but I think it'd be really cute here. Alright, so I'm thinking of using this really cute little notebook my sister got for the side table for my side, just because I feel like it's kind of empty, so I think it needs a little something. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of use that to create a little bit of a height balance, because if you guys see over here, this is the way things are looking. I want to have kind of like some sort of balance here since this is very low. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be posting the room tour video soon. I'll be trying to work really hard on editing that video as fast as possible for you guys to see like the full reveal. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to become part of the Kawaii family. Don't forget to follow me at the official_Abby on Instagram for some Kawaii fashion inspiration. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!